In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a cookie banner to your site on Squarespace. Start by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you are inside your site editor, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the site-wide controls for privacy, business information, and overall website behavior. From the Settings area, go to Website, then open Cookies and Data Privacy. If you do not immediately see that option, you can also use the Settings search bar and type in cookies to find it more quickly. This can save time, especially if you are working in a larger site with many settings categories. Inside the Cookies and Data Privacy section, click on Cookie Banner. This is the area where Squarespace lets you manage the notification that appears for visitors when they first arrive on your website. The cookie banner is useful for informing users about cookie usage and can also help support compliance requirements depending on where your visitors are located. Next, turn the cookie banner switch to on. Once you enable it, the feature becomes active in your settings, and you can configure how it should appear to visitors on your site. Be sure the toggle is clearly enabled before moving on. After that, choose one of the available display settings based on your compliance needs. This part is important because different websites may require different levels of consent and notification. Take a moment to review the options shown in Squarespace and select the one that best matches the type of cookie notice you want to display. If your site serves visitors in regions with stricter privacy rules, make sure your selection reflects those requirements. When you are done, go to the top left corner of the editor and click Save. This final step publishes the cookie banner settings to your live public site, so visitors will be able to see the banner according to the option you selected. If you do not save, the changes will not go live. That is really all you need to do. Log in, open Settings, go to Cookies and Data Privacy, select Cookie Banner, turn it on, choose the display setting that fits your needs, and save your changes. That covers everything you need to know.